Hello everyone, here I want to show you how to install Gdal library in your new environment, Conda Environment. At the first I create Conda Environment, Conda create, and the name of my environment is Gdal test, and the version of my Python that I use is 3.9, and I press enter. After a while, you need to press Y in order to install these packages. Then I activate my environment. My new environment was created and now I want to activate it. Activate. You can choose Conda activate or activate. Gdal test. As you see here, Gdal test is activate, and then now I want to install Gdal. I use Conda install C and then Conda forge and Gdal library. I press enter. I press Y here to install these packages, all of these packages. It might be some process of installing these packages for you, but because I have installed these packages before, because I have a Gdal in my system, it just show me done. But you should wait for a minute to install all these packages in your system. Let me test our Gdal library in our Gdal test environment. We can, for example, use ogrinfo formats, for example. Yes, all the formats for OGR, it's come here. Or also I can show you in Python, and for example from OSJO import Gdal. OSJO, we write it wrong from OSJO import Gdal. Yes, it worked for us because we don't have any error here. Thank you for your watch. Don't forget to push subscribe button. Bye bye.